and welcome. I'm Gitanjali and you're watching GMO Media Presents Incredible Journeys, Brands and Leaders. Today we showcase a company where innovation meets precision, driving global progress through transformative electronics design and manufacturing solutions that empower industries and enrich lives. Presenting Aimtron Electronics Limited. Established in 2011, Aimtron Electronics stands as a beacon of innovation and precision in the electronic system design and manufacturing landscape. With its roots intertwined with Aimtron Corporation's global legacy, Aimtron Electronics has redefined possibilities in electronic manufacturing, blending world-class quality with a relentless drive for technological advancement. Headquartered in India with cutting-edge facilities in Vadodara, Gujarat and Bangalore, Karnataka, Aimtron Electronics delivers unparalleled expertise in PCB design and assembly, high-value precision engineering and complete electronic system manufacturing. The company is also a force for progress, advancing the realms of EVs, industrial automation, wearable tech and robotics. With a global clientele spanning the US, Europe, Asia and Africa, Aimtron Electronics embody a commitment to quality and innovation that transcends borders. The visionary leader driving Aimtron's global excellence is Chairman and CEO Mukesh Vasani. His unwavering commitment to innovation, operational excellence, and social responsibility has established Aimtron as a globally trusted leader across diverse industries. So today we have with us the CEO and Chairman of Aimtron Electronics Limited, Mr. Mukesh Vasani. So let's welcome him to the show. Mr. Vasani, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Gitanjali, and thank you, ET Now audience. Thanks for me having on ET Now platform. Appreciate.
So, Mr. Vasani, Aimtron has grown into a globally trusted leader. So, tell us what inspired the founding of Aimtron and how has your vision evolved over the years?
Very good question, Gitanjali. If you want to look at the Aimtron story, it's very deeply connected with my personal journey. So, I have to share a little bit about my journey. Born and brought up in a very small village. There is no schooling, no electricity. And walking one school to other school, by walking million mile, I became a civil engineer. Because there was not so much guidance at that time or not a counseling at that time. But I managed to become civil engineer, and in 1989, we started a first company called Noble Construction. And in Noble Construction, next 4 or 5 years until 1994-95, we did about 40 crore worth of business. After 1995, I took a bold step to move to the United States of America, the land of opportunity. The reason behind is I want to do something betterment for myself and betterment for the society also. Sometimes you feel, somebody from America or Japan, they have a different perspective, is that correct?
Right.
So that's where I was also training to go to, out of country and like other youths. And then when I went to America, it was kind of a similar, immigrant story, jobs, working, kids. But I managed to go to electronics classes in a Devra University. And in 1997, I finished. And 1998, I started a first business over there in the US called Creatives. And for next 10 years, working hard and managing everything, and it built an infrastructure about 30 million, 35 million, and then departed from that company. And again, we started Aimtron. So now the vision for Aimtron is have a good aim, helping society, making good money, making a lot of money, and also helping giving back to society. So that's where Aimtron journey started. So the vision was at the time is, enrich society through innovative technology in a technology market.
Right. So we can call you an entrepreneur at heart.
Yes, you can.
So with the over 30 years of experience in contract manufacturing, what do you see as the biggest shift in electronics manufacturing industry, and how has Aimtron adapted to stay ahead?
Yes, in 3 decades, I've seen a lot. I seen the product miniaturization. It's all the product getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So that's the one key things you can see. Also adapting and integrating the newer technology like AI, IoT, machine learning, software development. So this is the two things I seen past 3 decades, and how Aimtron adapted because of the see the change. We since day one we sensed we thought that that's going to happen. So we already put the latest and greatest machines in the floor. We invest very heavily in capex, and all the capabilities we have right now. If you are in a SMT field or a manufacturing field, you can understand that Fuji machine has a O105 means O1005 capabilities. So that and 3D X-ray machines, 3D OI machines, 3D SPI machines, solder bridge inspection. We invested at that time also. So in addition to that, we develop a lot of engineering capabilities to stay ahead of this trend and support in the market. So we are ready.
So Mr. Vasani, we see that Aimtron is an ESDM company, and ESDM sector these days is undergoing rapid transformation, especially with the advancements in EVs, IoT, and robotics. So how is Aimtron positioning itself to capitalize on these opportunities?
Aimtron, being an ESDM company, we have all these customers already in our portfolios right now, and we are helping them in EV, IoT, and robotics sector. So some of the projects we see on the line already going on. So our engineering laboratory has the latest and greatest tools, and we go one step ahead and go next to the customer and help them to design also and support them in their early design phase. So that's where we are a little differentiated in other competitor.
So Mr. Vasani, we see that environmental stewardship is one of Aimtron's core values. So what does the company, or how does it incorporate sustainability into its manufacturing process and product design?
So our approach is focusing on 3R, like a reduce, recycle, and reuse strategy. And we try to save more and more on the environmental side. Our second approach is saving the utility and other efficiency waste in the floor also. So we have a process developed that way. Our production team, they develop the process, so we save more efficiency. We get more efficiency, but we save more energy. And then third part, when we do a design, in the design itself, our team do a low voltage, kind of a low power design with a better life cycle management. So that's why we also be part of the environment sustainability.
So Mr. Vasani, as you mentioned that you value customer feedback, maybe that's why we see Aimtron's diverse customer base across industries. So what is the secret behind building and maintaining, a long-term trusted partnership?
So it's very easy, is that correct? So the long-term trusted partnership means we need to understand customers' need and we need to commit to the quality, is that correct? So at Aimtron, we focus on customers' needs, also quality, and with that, we are also very transparent to the customer with the flexibility and agility. So those are the things makes customer happy.
So Mr. Vasani, with a long-term and trusted partnership between Aimtron and its customers, what are your key priorities for the company's growth over the next 5 years?
I think we look at 3 areas. One is a 40 to 50% CAGR, and keep growing at that a normal growth, which we are doing right now. As a Aimtron India also, we are now listed company, so we are focusing on that 40 to 50% CAGR growth in the first part. Second, we are looking to an organic growth by understanding customers, by diversifying customers, by diversifying categories, adding new values in new customer base, new, technologies. So that is the second part we are focusing right now. And strategically, we are planning on third part in organic growth. We are planning to merger and acquisition, and I think that will take us to next level in the next 5 years.
Mr. Vasani, it appears that you've achieved everything you ever dreamed of. So tell us what still keeps you going.
So great question actually. So my journey, now I have a legacy. My son is managing operational sales and marketing and other areas, and my daughter is also a finance manager, so she's managing the finance side. So I'm focusing on India and taking this next level. And in addition to, I always feel that some almighty or some, it's a power, a hidden power, is keep going us, everybody, not only me. So that power I would like to realize and use that strong desire giving back to society as via Aimtron Foundation. In a nutshell, Aimtron Foundation is studying, a gap education and also is preparing for ecosystem for semiconductor. So we are doing a webinar, seminar, internship, and a lot of college roadshow and college activities too. So whatever I missed in my early childhood, I would like to help them to, in an early stage, and then bring him over here and put a spark and ignite them to be a next generation, entrepreneur. So that is one of my desires.
So it appears that your desire of giving back to the society is what keeps you going.
Yes, thank you.
So thank you so much for joining us today, Mr. Vasani. It was a pleasure having you on the show.
My pleasure.
Guided by core values of dignity, integrity, prosperity, and environmental stewardship, the company seamlessly bridges advanced technology with societal impact. As Aimtron looks to the future, it remains steadfast in its mission to drive progress, empower industries, and deliver solutions that enhance comfort and wellness worldwide.
So this was the incredible journey of Aimtron Electronics. So we'll be back with another remarkable story. Thank you for watching.